Colleen, do you have a coupon for Wade's truck?
Let me look. GMC, Buick, BMW, Lexus, Hyundai, Toyota, Acura, Ford. It's expired.
It's okay, I have the company credit card. I can't believe that card declined. Now how are we going to get Wade's truck?
The best things in life are free, but you can give them to the birds and bees. I need them all, yeah. spinning bees, I need 'em Monday. That's what I want. That's what I want. What I want. Your love gives me such a thrill, but your love don't pay my bills. I need Monday. That's what I want. That's what I want. What I want.
This here's a story about a guy named Wade, pediatric doctor, so you know he's well paid. Got a sick child, or maybe you're bored, you can see him round town in his big old Ford truck, that is, old Rust Bucket. His old faded rig gets him from A to B. No heat if you're cold, if you're hot, no AC. Picks up the kids when they're done with class. The doors don't open, they use the sliding back glass. Window, that is, head first with style. Boom, pitter, patter, boom, put, kerplunk. While you're still driving that hunk of junk. May not be a lemon, but it sure ain't a peach. Probably couldn't sell the tires for a quarter apiece. Cash for clunkers. Time for an upgrade.
Thanks, Dr. Weatherington.
Thanks, Dr. Weatherington.
Time.
Thanks, Dr. Weatherington. Thank you, Dr. Weatherington.
Thanks, Dr. Wade.
Thanks, Dr. Weatherington.
Thank you, Dr. Wade, for teaching me about exercise.
Dr. Wade, you are so smart. Thank you for taking care of me. It's all